Hi, my name is Victor Reid. I am 26 years old, and I've been playing professionally for 19 years now since I was 7, and I've been touring since I was 14. I play for the Stephen Hall Experience, and my stick of choice is the Collision 5As. All I have to say is I'm amazed. I'm able to play confidently without having to think is my stick going to break? The durability is unmatched. I've tried almost every stick out there, and these sticks are just phenomenal. The company as well within itself, customer service is really, I don't know, it comes second to no one. You guys have been so involved and hands-on with helping me through the process, and I thank you very much for that.
You begged me for a chance to hear. Now you let it all fall apart. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Victor Reid.